Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Drowning. It's Wednesday the 7th of February 2024. We're back at Anfield Road, Shankly stand side. We're just going to go around and see what we can see. I just installed another light by the further stones. We'll check on that cladding. Bit of work going to my left there also. If you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get the drone up. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne. It's great to get the drone out finally after a few days. But I did enjoy doing the ground footage yesterday, even though it was pretty wet and raining. We're going to start near the Shankly gates. There's a different heavy lifter there that's come in instead of that yellow one we used to see, but I think they're just carrying on with the coping stones. I will check on that corner, but I don't believe anything else has been done there. All the pieces are still in the TV crew car park area. I'm going to drop down a bit. I'm currently at 95 meters, way too high. Just turn the camera, go to the side. I just want to zoom in on that cladding. Yeah, it's looking good there now, isn't it? It looks like they've done the underneath section, or began to. So I'm guessing they'll move all the way up the top, all the way along. They were cutting curbstones, I believe, right by the Shankly gates. That's why it's all white on the road there. I was down there, and I'll show you a video clip in a minute of what's been going on. They're just working along that section there, fitting in the curbstones. So join me down there for some ground footage. And we're back in the air. I'm not sure that any cladding is going to be done today, and there's been no activity at all with that blue cherry picker. I will keep an eye on it though. I think they're doing all the groundwork underneath there first. Maybe that's why there's a bit of a halt in the action, but we'll definitely be keeping an eye on that. But before I go towards the back of Anfield Road, I'm going to go over the stand. So I'm going to check on the hospitality area, if that red screen has been removed yet. They are selling tickets for the Burnley game, so I wanted just to fly over and double check. All the tier sections for the corner are still in the car park area where the TV crew park their vehicles, so I'm not expecting to see much change in that corner. Yeah, they haven't moved that screen yet, have they? It's definitely all the same, isn't it? They're keeping us waiting, aren't they? They're going to remove it probably the night before the game or something. Yeah, there's not really much change on that corner, is there? There's been a few little cosmetic jobs been done the last few days, probably. So we'll go back over the Shankly stands, go and check in on that big crane. It is a perfect day for flying today. Just going to make the most of it because we're supposed to be having a bit of snow in the next couple of days. I ain't going to go down and have a look through the windows, not when it's an active site. That's a big no-no. So this is where they're up to with the wall by the looks of it, with it being parked there. If you want to join me on the ground, we'll have a look how far along they are. See you down there. We have just another coping stone being lifted into place. We thought we'd stop off. They're using a different lifter this time, but they all do the same job. It's got so you see that yellow one, but they're all doing the same job here. Getting this wall finished off with the final straight section. It's brilliant, seeing it done up close. And welcome back. I believe all those shrubs are yet to be planted, so that's another job, but they can wait. They had plenty of water yesterday, that was for sure, with the rain. I'm just going to drop down a little bit because I just thought somebody was doing some work on that red panel in there. They're taking some cladding off, because that was all fitted before, wasn't it? I'm not sure. It's just little jobs here or there, I think. That's all. We'll carry on going towards the right hand side. That's that landscaping section they were prepping. Quite a big area, but I believe a lot of trees are going to be going in there, and more shrubs, more than likely. And while I'm here, I'm going to have a look on that roof, because one viewer wanted me to check if there is a lamppost on the roof. So we'll have a look if it's still there. That building, I believe. That's it, isn't it? Apparently Buckingham put it up there, was it? Hopefully it will not get forgotten, but I will remind one of the workers that's up there. If Buckingham put it up there, it shouldn't be up there. It's not a dumping ground. We can make out all those lights that have recently been put up. Well, not lights, I think they're camera positions maybe. But even all the tiniest little jobs are getting fitted, like all the little security cameras on that shoulder. There's 3. So I'll put a little video clip of that on now also. Thanks for joining me on the shoulder section. But I'm still prepping this ground here and further down to my left. Just wanted to show you something on the shoulder. Even just little details like the security cameras. It's like 3 installed on that shoulder. They were there yesterday, but I just didn't bother stopping and filming that. But I just thought I'd add it in today's video. Just further little details, put the finishing touches around the Anfield Road stand itself. We'll get back in the air, shall we? Now we're back in the air, we'll carry on moving to that section near the main stand. What they're paving now, I believe. Yeah, they're coming down with the dark paving at the bottom of the screen, and then all that reddish, brownish paving right down the middle, and then again with the darker paving at the top. So they're doing all 3 pretty much on the go. I think they're concentrating on the reddish one first, and then they'll come down with the black down each side. Join me down there for a bit of ground footage of it from a different angle. And welcome to ground level. We're looking at it from this angle. Just preparing this section for the darker coloured paving blocks, and then down the middle it's the reddish tinted paving blocks. Underneath that soil is like tarmac, I believe. So just putting all the topsoil over, levelling it off, and then they'll put the paving on top of that. We've got the plans there, how it's supposed to look like. But I just thought I'd stop off here, show you from ground level how it's all coming. And this final section to the beginning of Anfield Road, right outside the main stand. So let's get back in the air with the drone. And we are back. I think that's going to be it for today. So a lot of work going on each end of Anfield Road. Oh, I just spotted them on the roof. What are they up to? I'm going to go too close, but I will go a little bit closer. Just checking the edges, are they? Is that the guttering sections? Possibly. Ah, they're doing right at the very edge, cladding. There we have it. Yeah, the cladding right at the very edge. We've all got their harnesses on, which is good to see. Safety comes first, as always. Nearly missed that. Good spot there, GB. I'm guessing this shoulder is bugging everybody, and it's bugging me as well. Probably be the last cladding that's going to be done. So there we have it on this Wednesday at Anfield Road. Anyway, we'll be back at Anfield again tomorrow. Another update. The wall will continue. The road, each end prepping, curbing will continue. We'll bring it all to you again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day or evening. Bye for now all.